Once again, Interglobe Aviation is in the news. Not as such Interglobe Aviation, its parent company, Interglobe Enterprise, which is co-founded by Rahul Bhatia. So, what's in the air? Interglobe Enterprise and Accor is planning for a possible IPO going forward. How this will affect your Indigo shares, and what is this Interglobe Enterprise and Accor going to do? They are into hospitality business. Accor owns brands like Novotel, and the Interglobe Enterprise, the parent company of Interglobe Aviations, is having already a tie-up with Accor, wherein they run hotels like Ibis. So Ibis is a renowned mid-range hospitality chain running hotels. So getting to the point that how it will possibly impact your Indigo shares or its share price. So as such, there is no impact. But if the promoter, which is Interglobe Enterprise, for listing the IPO, if they are raising the entire money from listing, well, it's fine. But then if they are planning to source some money from the possible promoter stake sale of Interglobe Aviation shares, then the stock may have some dip. Now, if the listing of this company happens, will it unlock value for Indigo? Not as such, because it is not a subsidiary company of Interglobe Aviation, but it's a parent company which will be separately listed. So as such, there is no positive news for Indigo. And in 2 years back, this news had come and the stock had dipped almost 5% because of this stake sale fear. One of the promoter has been selling these stakes in Indigo for some time now. But then hopefully the business is stabilizing, the crude oil price is stabilizing, and the profitability of the company is purely dependent on the load factor, like how much passengers are going, is it fully occupied or partially occupied, the crude oil price, which is the fuel cost, then the possible disruption due to DGCA or the airport authority new rules hitting in. So this is only which is probably impacting the Indigo's business assets. So let us see how this story develops, and I'll keep you updated about this going forward. Stay invested. Till then, happy investing.